Meaning of elaborately.
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 Elaborately. The word elaborately refers to something that is done with great detail, care, and attention. When something is done elaborately, it means that extra time and effort have been taken to ensure that every aspect of it is perfect and well crafted. This can apply to a wide range of things, from an elaborately decorated cake to an elaborately choreographed dance routine. Whatever the context, the end result of something done elaborately is typically something that is both visually stunning and highly impressive, thanks to the meticulous attention paid to every detail along the way.